Attaboy, Cole.
Keep it going, buddy.
Let's go, Kaden. You got this. Let's go, Kaden.
Call girls 100-meter high hurdles, and first call for the boys 110-meter.
Did it. Go too soon.
In the result of the boys football.
Go get him, Peyton!
Come on, Peyton!
Stay in your lane.
Come on, Ken, all the way! All the way! Pick it up right here, right here!
Final call for the boys 400-meter relay, and we'll make it first call for the girls 300-meter low hurdle.
Push yourself, Bishop. Go hard, go.